Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to go into part 2 of the Kinzer's visit, Kinzer's, Pennsylvania, to the Rough and Tumble outfit. This part is the construction stuff. We have a lot to show you. We have such brands as Caterpillar, Euclid, Unit, Alice Charmers. We have drag lines. We have a Lorraine shovel boom, Austin steamrollers, Oliver dozers. There's too much. I can't even name it all. It's probably the best vintage construction equipment video you're going to see on YouTube. So make sure you like it and subscribe, and let's get into it. Oh, one other thing. I got a really cool interview with a very rare Euclid 1965 C6. It's like basically a Caterpillar, like D9, D8. But it's a Euclid, and it's got a Detroit diesel in it. And I got to talk to Anthony, the owner. What a cool dude. This is a really cool video. Check it out. Okay, guys, today we're here with Anthony. He's going to tell us about his machine here, this Euclid.
How you doing? Behind me is a 1965 Euclid C6 bulldozer. In '65, this was almost the last year for Euclid before, as we all know, it went to Terex. This machine's basically fully hydraulic, meaning that the controls, there's only two controls in there, hydraulic. There's no hand clutch, there's no brakes, like you would normally see in an older Cat of the same era. This machine was in between a D7 and D8 of its era.
Right.
The way this machine sits here now, it's right around 46,000 pounds.
Wow.
It's supposed to have a 4,000 pound counterweight on the back of it, but it does not. When I got it, I had to do some transmission work, so it's all. It runs a 671 Detroit, which is, everyone knows, the Screaming Demon.
Do they have a rough horsepower rating, like, for these?
Yeah, I'd say a general basis would be like 200 horse.
Right,
it could be
right.
238. Truck, a lot of guys with this motor in a truck, they were 238 horsepower, but this could be 200, 215.
Yep.
And
lots of torque.
Yeah, a lot of power. It has a 12-foot blade on it. That you used to angle the blade so the bottom of the edge of the blade could cut more or cut less, but I believe this machine worked in a quarry, and just the battle wounds it has on the blade, it was welded up most of its life, so it pushed on a lot of hard stuff in the day.
Yeah. That blade's a big deal to move, I bet.
Yeah.
Just on its own.
I think the blade and the push arms weigh about between 7,000 and 8,000 pounds altogether.
Wow. So what made you buy a Euclid?
To be a little different, I never really thought I'd find one close to where I live at. These are mostly a Midwest machine. Everybody's got a Cat D5 or D6, D7, D2. It's what you normally always see, so I wanted something a little bit different.
That's great. Well, thanks for the interview, and thanks for taking care of it and bringing it here so we could all enjoy it.
No problem.
Hey, make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see this antique International Harvester tracked trencher. This thing looks like it's something out of a medieval movie. We got video of it later running and operating. It's pretty wild.
Like that? The size of that thing.